ready for it to becoming unrecognizable. Buenos dias. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's exercise and get some coffee. Today I'm not gonna do any regular exercises because I'm on that time of the month, so I'm gonna go walk. I'm gonna be making some butter biscuits. I have put 3 cups of flour in here already. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. A little bit of salt. Now we're gonna mix all of the ingredients together. We're gonna use a whole stick of butter. We're gonna grate a whole stick of butter. I'm gonna be making some biscuits. 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a little bit of salt. Now we're going to mix all of the ingredients together. We're going to grate a whole stick of butter, mix it all together, put it all on the counter. A cup. Gonna add this slowly. Oh, no. Do this in a bowl and try not to knead this too much. Disaster. I just made it. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top and we're gonna do this. This is what the biscuits look like. We're going to bake our biscuits at 450 degrees for 18 minutes. This is what the biscuits look like. Now for my coffee. The best part of the day. While we are waiting for our biscuits to be done, we're going to be reading the Bible. I'll give you a minute to go grab your Bible while I turn to John 1. Today we're going to read John 1:19 through 23. It says, John the Baptist is not the Messiah. The Jewish leaders sent priests and Levites from Jerusalem to ask John, "Who are you?" John did not refuse to answer. He said, "I am not the Messiah." So they asked him, "So who are you? Are you Elijah?" John said, "No, I am not." They asked, "Are you the prophet?" John answered, "No." Then they said, "Tell us who you are. We must say something to the people who sent us. What do you say about yourself?" He said, "I am the voice of somebody shouting in the wilderness, 'The Lord will come soon. Make a straight path for him.' That is what the prophet Isaiah said a long time ago." I can't wait to take a bite of those biscuits. Oh my goodness, I hope I didn't mess them up. The coffee that I had yesterday, it woke me up, but like by the end of the day I was like super tired. Salud. So here is my biscuits and gravy. Now for the taste test. They're a little crunchy than how they normally are. Maybe because of all the flakes. They actually taste better this way. I'm glad I messed up. Cheers.
Empty hearts